Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of March, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.55. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 20.44%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 2.04% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -50.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible range for returns between -66.59% and -36.69%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -24.29%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -80.36% and +105.36% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of approximately $3.27 to $34.21. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Significant Movements in Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price on Tuesday with a fluctuation of 11.07% between high and low. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price declined by 3.81% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, dropping from $17.32 to $16.66. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 11.07%, reaching a low of $16.37 and a high of $18.18. The price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days and is down by 27.15% during this period. Notably, volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as trading volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $62.94 million. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the stock price is 70.54%, or $39.89, below the 52-week high, and 79.01%, or $62.72, below the all-time high recorded on March 26, 2024, when it peaked at $79.38. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, have recently experienced notable volatility. On the 1st of April, a filing indicated that the company is paving the way for major insiders, including the Donald J. Trump Revocable Trust, to sell up to 142 million shares. This development has led to a significant decline in stock price, with shares plunging to their lowest point this year. The immediate concern arises from market uncertainty surrounding the repercussions of these insider sales, along with the losses the company has been facing since its public debut. Investors are currently contending with the potential implications of tariffs that former President Trump is discussing on his social media platform, Truth Social. While the specific effects on Trump Media's operations remain unclear, market sentiment can be greatly swayed by such announcements. The possibility of tariffs may instill fears of heightened operational costs or diminished consumer spending, further complicating the company's already challenging financial situation. The short-term outlook for DJT appears cautious as these developments unfold, creating a turbulent atmosphere for traders. Long-term prospects may depend on the company's ability to stabilize following these insider sell-offs and restore investor confidence, particularly in the context of the broad right-leaning market that has seen rallies since Trump's return to office. As the situation continues to evolve, the influence on DJT stock price will largely hinge on market reactions to forthcoming announcements and the performance of its core business ventures. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the short-term outlook. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $18.29 and $21.46. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 13, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 61.17%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 60 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 32 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, sell signal from 56 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 52 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock could experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.81 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 11.07%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 10.01%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could imply risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $17.32. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making investments only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan executed another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan executed yet anher insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 21.935. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation displays several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Our assessment of this stock is negative. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 410 thousandths and begin trading at $17.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.